Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to install and use MariaDB with Docker. We start with the website from MariaDB Foundation. You can download it here. Found a lot of information. Download. Then select Windows or Linux. We do it with Docker, so we go to Docker Hub and MariaDB, the Docker official image. We go to tags and search for latest. And you see, you have here latest, it's 9 days ago, last post. We use this image. We open Visual Studio Code and do a remote window. Connect current window to host, Fedora server from previous videos, opening remote, and we are selected. First, we go to the extensions. In the previous videos, the previous video from MySQL, we installed database client JDBC. We're going to use that today also. So if you don't have that, you need to install it. Remove that. Now we can create our Docker Compose file, new file, Docker Compose.yaml. You can do it like that or like that. It's the same. Do YAML, enter. I copy the code and paste it. I have a little mistake here. And voila. Services and MariaDB. You can choose whatever you want. The image, MariaDB latest. So it's this one here, latest. You see it here, MariaDB latest. Back. Visual Studio Code, container name, again, it's up to you. Environment, the password is not safe, but for testing, it's okay. MySQL database, my home lab, you can do whatever you want. Ports, 3306 is on the Fedora server, 3306 is inside the Docker container. If you have already a database running, you can change maybe to 3307. It's up to you. But it has to be a free port on the server. Networks. Create a network. You do it here. Create networks with driver bridge and a volumes. Home directory, databases, MariaDB, MariaDB data to var lib MySQL. We save it. Control S. It's saved. Now we go to the terminal, new terminal, and we can do Docker Compose. It's gonna download the MariaDB latest image and create the container and run it. So we do enter. See, starting up. Creating the database and it's running. Okay, you see it here, port 3306, MariaDB. Now we open the database visualizer. We used that in the previous video. You can download it. I'll show you the website. You can download it here. Sorry. You can download it here. See, download this installer for Windows. Underline. Go back to Visual Studio Code and to our VisualizeR. From a previous video, we have a connection MySQL. Today we create a new connection, but MariaDB. Select it and localhost is the IP address from our server, 192.168.129.9. The port is 336. If you have changed it in the Docker file, you have to adjust it here also. The database name, my home lab. The user ID is root. The password is password. And we can connect. It's connecting, et voila. You can open it. You have my home lab. Of course, the tables we don't have. The database is empty. You can also go to Visual Studio Code and open databases. You have here the previous database, MySQL. Close that. I do the plus add connection. We choose MariaDB. This time we can use localhost 127.127.0.0.1 because we are on a remote connection. We are on the server. Root, password. The port is 3306. The database, my home lab. All can save it, and connect to it. You open it, and you see you have no tables, of course, and you see it here. It's the MariaDB. This is the icon from MySQL. If you want, you can give it a name. So we do MariaDB. Save it. See, now it's more clear. Can do this one also. Do that. Edit connection. Call it MySQL. Down and save it. Now it's more clear. Today we are on the MariaDB. In the next video, we're going to do the same, but with the PostgreSQL. We changed the database. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.